Dad, what are you doing?
Hey folks, so this happened. Looks like the weld broke on this. I know when I built this, when it was backing up, it was towing out. So when you would put it in reverse with the tractor, both wheels would kind of tow out. And I thought I had kind of eliminated that, and I think I did on the other side. But it looks like there's more play in this, so I'm going to have to fix this too, get this washered in to where it stays right, stays in line, doesn't try towing out. The weld that was on there looked alright, but got something else to fix, and these girls would like to get moved, so let's get started. Alright, so I got the arm off of the coupe, and obviously the tire's off because it broke. I'm going to try to take this rim apart. I'm a little bit worried all the heat that transfers out here is going to soften this or ruin it or something. I don't know. I could be doing this all for nothing. I don't know if they glue these things on, or I don't know. I might regret doing this, is what I'm saying. But let's just see what happens. Now what I'm going to do is bolt these back together. Just use a couple bolts. I'm not going to bolt it all the way. That way everything's still lined up when I go to weld. You know what? If I weld both sides of this, I'm not going to be able to get it back apart once I get the hub on there. Okay, well, just gonna have to take the chance of not melting the tire. So what I want to do is, it's only welded on one side. I don't know, here, it's easier to see on this. See how it's only welded on this one side? Should I just weld it again on one side, or should I weld it on both sides to make sure it stays on here? If I weld it on both sides, I won't be able to change the tire itself, but these tires are like 14 bucks. I think it's worth welding it on both sides. Famous last words. I might regret saying that, but that is the fun of just trying things, right? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Let me get this back together and I'll be right back. Alright, wheels back together. And I need to pull this guy out so I can get this hub off of here. So I don't know if you can see, this is how it sits in there. So I'm going to clean up all this metal here, clean up this side. So my thought is I'm going to re-weld this and then flip it over and weld on this side too. Hopefully that'll make it stronger. Okay, so we got it down to bare metal. I want to double check and make sure this is steel, because that would be bad. Yes, it is. Now the fun part will be trying to get this paint off and this paint off. Try to use my Ziz wheel. I'll put some music here or something because my air compressor is going to make a lot of noise. Alright folks, time for the nitty-gritty part. I cleaned this with alcohol off camera, and I will clean this with some alcohol. Just make sure we got a good clean place to weld. Did the best I could with getting this paint off of here. Need to weld, I think I'm going to need to weld this side first. That way it stays centered. Anytime a weld breaks, you can sometimes kind of just move it around to find where it originally was, and that'll kind of make it sit square. But I'm not finding that, so we're just going to hammer it. Not literally hammer it. Just go for it. Alright folks, so I went out there and washed it off real quick to get it cooled down. I kept kind of touching this rim here and it was getting pretty warm. Yeah, the rim metal is so much thinner than the hub metal. I kept having to stay up on the hub more, and I even actually blew through right there. So worst case scenario, we gotta run to Harbor Freight and grab another wheel. Best case scenario, this holds. So I'm gonna slap this thing back on and try to washer this thing back out, and we'll see if it works. Okay folks, I got it all back together. Just gonna have to see how it does. Ended up putting another washer on there on the back side to take some of this wobble out. So I don't know if it was the wobble that caused it or a bad weld on their end. Only thing you can do in these situations is just try it and see if it works. Surely there's no way I can weld better than they can, but you never know. So on to the next project. I'm not sure if this will be a separate video or not, but if it is, see you guys next time, and we can hang out and do some more projects and just keep fighting. Hang in there, don't give up. All right, you didn't think I was gonna just let you hanging, right? I'm gonna set you up and let's see if this wheel breaks off or not. All right, folks, it held. Hopefully she'll keep holding. See you guys later.